Hi, I'm Roger with Guarantee here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we got the great pleasure of looking at a 3226 Bay Star Sport by Newmar. Newmar is one of the leaders of the industry. They build their coaches a little different than a lot of the other manufacturers. I was in manufacturing myself for many years. I like the way Newmar builds their coaches. They're doing a 3-inch thick wall instead of a 2-inch thick wall. They don't have any decals. It's all full body paint. They're the inventor of the slideout for motorhomes. They do a really great job. This one's going to be a great coach, 32 feet, well appointed. It's on the Ford chassis. It's got the push button electric awning. We've got the 5,000-pound tow hitch in the back. I like the fact that Newmar does put in a rear window. Gives you another source of visibility when you're sitting there at the lake or wherever you are. You can see out that window, see what's going on. This coach is a little dirty. Apologize for that. Love how sturdy their doors are, well built. This is a 50 amp coach. A lot of storage. Easy to get to the drain. First day of summer today, so it's time to really get out there, start having some fun. Let's go on the other side, take a look at some of the things we got going on inside. So this is going to be a 3-slide coach. We've got 2 slides in our living space up front. We've got our entertainment package straight across from the sofa. Both of our cab chairs are going to spin around and become part of your living room. We've got our Ford chassis implements up front here, automatic hydraulic leveling, the 6-speed transmission with the 460 foot-pound torque V10 engine. We've got side cameras, backup camera, navigation. We've got the electric shade in the front. You can use it as a sunshade or as your privacy curtain. We don't have those old pull-around curtains like we used to. Got rid of the TV up front. They've put it in the back here in our living room. Again, it's like straight across from the sofa, so it's going to give you that better viewing angle. The table expands out for seating for quite a few more people. Solid surface countertops throughout, and remember, this is the Sport. Okay, they mount their AC above the insulation package so you don't have to listen to it. We've got a great pantry right across from the kitchen. Makes cooking in here really easy and convenient. We've got the Norcold refrigerator freezer. This is going to be the, I believe, the 10 cubic foot with the automatic ice maker already built in. Runs on electricity or propane. Another little pantry area here with adjustable shelves, a little smaller than the last one. And then another one here, and it actually goes back that way a little ways. Not so far that you can't reach it, but far enough that you're going to be able to put quite a bit of stuff in here. Okay. Back here in our bedroom, we've got the king-size bed. Easy lift up to get to the storage. Here's our other 2 folding chairs. Notice how well this bed box is built. It's a 32-foot coach, so it's still small enough that you're going to be able to go just about anywhere, and big enough that you're going to be comfortable. Quite a bit of storage back here. Again, we've got the bedroom TV in here, so we can actually lay in bed, watch a little TV, be comfortable, be home wherever you are. I'm Roger, here with Guarantee in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we were looking at the Newmar Bay Star Sport 3226. If you have any questions about this rig or any others, give me a call.